We now ask about the intersection of our sphere with the xy plane. Where does the sphere intersect this xy plane? We know that the sphere has a point above and a point below, so that we know that it has to intersect. So, well, let's see. Now, the xy plane is characterized just by the fact that z equals 0. Every point of the xy plane has z equal to 0. And if z equals 0, the point is in the xy plane. So we can write our equation, the equation of our sphere, and that equation simply x minus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared plus, now it's going to be z plus 4 squared equals 36, but I haven't filled in z because I know that z equals 0, so I'm going to just write a 0 in there, big old goose egg for z, and see what I've got. Well, this gives me the equation x minus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared plus 16 equals 36, and that simplifies to the form x minus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 20. Now, you should know from pre-calculus, and if you don't, it should be fairly clear from the way we've talked about the equation of the sphere, that this is a set of points in the xy plane that lie at distance square root of 20 from the point 2, 5. So if we want to draw our xy plane, and we'll draw it like this, just to be kind of consistent with the way it's been drawn up here, we go to the point 2, 5, and we construct a sphere of radius. Let's back up and list the center. Center is 2, 5. Radius, square root of 20, which is approximately 4.4. So we construct a circle of radius 4.4 centered at this point. Now that's going to bring us down to about 6.4 on the x, or bring us up to 6.4 depending how you look at it, and about about 0.6 on the y. And we can kind of sketch those points, and we can attempt then to sketch a circle. Now we can't go all the way up here, we can't go all the way to the right, but we can see that circle being formed around the point 2, 5. So whatever our sphere is, wherever it lies, and we saw previously that the sphere lies lower below the xy plane than it does above the xy plane, just by finding these 2 points. It intersects the xy plane in a circle, and that circle might be reasonably sketched something like this. Okay, I'm not going to complete it, but it comes around and lies partly in the, well, the circle intersects the xy plane on this circle.